Welcome to your channel name. In today's video, we're exploring 10 must-try gardening ideas for growing French marigolds and strawberries. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these tips will transform your garden into a vibrant haven of blooms and berries. Let's dive in. Choose the right varieties. Selecting the right variety is crucial. For marigolds, go for French marigolds. They're compact, vibrant, and perfect for pest control. For strawberries, try ever-bearing varieties like Albion or Seascape for a continuous harvest throughout the season. Companion planting magic. Did you know French marigolds and strawberries are the perfect companions? Marigolds deter pests like nematodes and aphids, keeping your strawberries safe. Plus, they add a pop of color to your garden beds. Optimal soil preparation. Both plants thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Mix compost and organic fertilizers into your garden bed. Strawberries love slightly acidic soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5, while marigolds are more forgiving but prefer similar conditions. Smart spacing is key in gardening. Space your strawberries about 12 inches apart and your marigolds 8 to 10 inches apart. This ensures good airflow, reducing the risk of fungal diseases and helping your plants thrive. Raised bed gardening is a fantastic option if you have limited space or poor soil. Raised beds provide better drainage, easier pest control, and allow you to manage soil quality effectively. Plus, they're easier on your back. Mulching is a game changer. Use straw or wood chips around your strawberries to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Marigolds don't need mulching, but a light layer can keep their roots cool in hot weather. Alright, let's talk about watering the right way. Both strawberries and marigolds prefer consistent watering. It's best to use drip irrigation or water early in the morning to keep the foliage dry and prevent diseases. And, avoid overwatering. Let the top inch of soil dry out between sessions. Pruning and maintenance. Regular pruning keeps your plants healthy. Deadhead marigolds to encourage more blooms. For strawberries, remove runners if you want bigger berries, or let them grow if you're propagating new plants. Organic pest control. Keep pests away naturally. Marigolds will handle most of the pest control for strawberries, but if you spot any bugs, use a DIY garlic or neem oil spray for extra protection. Seasonal rotation. Rotate your crops each season to prevent soil depletion and diseases. Switch strawberries to a new location every 3 to 4 years, and plant marigolds in other areas of your garden to benefit more crops. And there you have it, 10 must-try ideas for growing beautiful French marigolds and delicious strawberries. With these tips, your garden will not only look stunning but also yield a bounty of sweet treats and vibrant blooms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more gardening inspiration. Happy gardening!